Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to install and set up XAMPP in Windows computer. Follow this easy and updated way to easily install and set up XAMPP in your computer. First of all, we have to download XAMPP. So go to your browser and search for XAMPP download and open this link, download XAMPP, and you will directly jump into XAMPP download page. So here you will find XAMPP installer for Mac device, for Linux device and Windows device. So I'm using Windows, and here we can see XAMPP version. So this is the latest version of XAMPP, and this is 64-bit. So all you have to need, download XAMPP installer according to your computer requirements. And as you can see, XAMPP installer is downloading, and it may take some time to download the installer. It depends on your internet speed. Once the XAMPP installer downloaded, go to your file explorer and go to download folder, and here you will find XAMPP installer. Now all you have to need, just right click on XAMPP installer and just click on run as administrator. Click on yes to start installation and click on next, and here don't change anything here, just click on next and select a folder where you want to install the XAMPP. I'm selecting here C drive and clicking on next, and you can change your XAMPP language here and click on next and just click on next, and as you can see, XAMPP is installing. And here, as you can see, I've successfully installed XAMPP in my computer, and now just click on finish, and the XAMPP control panel will automatically open. If don't, then click on start menu, and here search for XAMPP and open XAMPP control panel. Okay, now we have to start Apache and MySQL. So here's you will find Apache, just click on start, and also MySQL start. Once both of started, now all you have to need, go to your file explorer and go to the drive where you installed XAMPP. So in my case, I'm going to local disk C, and here we can see the XAMPP folder created. Open the XAMPP folder, and inside of XAMPP folder, you will find this hasty docs folder. So you have to open this hasty docs, and inside of hasty docs, you have to create all of your websites to work in offline with XAMPP. So here, first of all, let's create a new folder and giving the folder name tutorial project, and opening the folder, and inside of this folder, let's create a HTML file or PHP file. So clicking on new and clicking on text document, and now typing here index and change the file format to PHP or HTML. So let's type here PHP, and now open the folder using Notepad or any text editor, and now here I'm simply typing hello world and just saving the file. And now to open this dummy website in browser, go to your browser and just simply type localhost, give a slash, and you have to write here the website folder name. So my folder name is tutorial project. So I'm typing the folder name tutorial dash project and just hit enter, and make sure to type the website folder name accurately. So here, as you can see, my tutorial T is uppercase, so here's I used uppercase, and also project P is uppercase, so must write accurately and just hit enter. And as you can see, my dummy website successfully opened in my localhost XAMPP server, and now you can easily work with your website using XAMPP server. In next tutorial, I will show you how to install WordPress in XAMPP localhost. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.